Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to be doing a full face of Nudestix. I'm really excited for this one. Most of the stuff that I'm going to be talking about in this video was gifted to me, not directly by Nudestix, but this company reached out to me a few weeks ago and they work for a bunch of different brands, and basically their whole thing is connecting brands with influencers. So they reached out to me and asked if there was anything that I wanted to try, and of freaking course there was, you know? Nudestix is like top 5 of my most requested full face videos to do. And trust me, I've wanted to do a full face of Nudestix for so long, but what was stopping me was the price point. It is a little bit more of an expensive brand, and I'm not shy to high-end items, but I work at Ulta, so I do get a discount on those. But Nudestix is one of those brands that never go on sale. And for my videos, when I do full faces and review products, a lot of times I do pay out of pocket for that, and I end up spending a lot of money. For you guys watching at home, realistically, you guys wouldn't be spending money on a full face from one brand. You might watch this video and pick out like a lip or a cheek product you really liked, and that be like the only thing. So I'm so grateful that that company contacted me and was able to supply the Nudestix products for this video. I'm going to start out with the Nudestix tinted cover. I wear the shade 6 in this, and this is actually a product that I did buy with my own money. I really loved the texture of this when we got it in Ulta, so I really wanted it to try out myself. It's definitely like a tinted moisturizer, and I do like tinted moisturizers that are a little bit thicker. I don't know, they just feel really comfortable on the skin. Kind of very skincare-like, so I really like that. And this does deliver a good amount of coverage, I would say, depending on how you apply it. You know, like if you were gonna apply it with a sponge, you might not get as much coverage with it. But applying it with a brush does give you a nice amount of coverage. Definitely not like a medium or full, but maybe like a light medium. I think this might be maybe a shade too dark for me at the moment. I probably could get away with doing maybe shade 5 or something, but the concealer that I have is really light. I have the Nudestix concealer in the shade 4. This is another one that I bought myself. This was a product that went on sale, and sometimes if I know that I would like to do a full face video, but I'm not like in the position where I can buy all the full face products all at once, I will keep a lookout for the brand to run sales on certain products, and I believe this might have been like a 21 days of beauty sale on Ulta or something like that. So I definitely scooped it up when I had the chance. I used it earlier today when I was filming an IGTV. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to upload both my IGTV and this video on the same day, but I did a separate IGTV also using all Nudestix, but specifically using the Sun and Sea kit from Nudestix because I wanted this video to be kind of more of a focus on the brand rather than that kit, but I knew a lot of you guys would probably be interested in seeing how that kit performs specifically. But I definitely think the combination of the concealer and the tinted cover work well in my favor, because the concealer definitely would be too light for me at the moment, and then the tinted cover is like a little too dark. Again, I was using medium 4 and I was using 6 in this one. I definitely think I could have done a 5 so I could meet very much in the middle, but this looks nice. I'm not complaining about it. Next, I'm going to be using the Nudestix Eyebrow Stylist Pen and Gel. This is a duo-ended product that comes with some brow color on one end. The actual brow product is very much shaped like the Anastasia Brow Definer. Oh, by the way, I'm using the shade Brown Black. I feel it's definitely more a black, like it's definitely a, like it's kind of like a cool toned black, but like a soft black, you know? You know how like black eyebrow products work, they're like a little bit softer. And then I'm going in with the gel side. I'm pretty sure a lot of us are familiar with this gel specifically because of Kathleen Lights. Like, we know Kathleen Lights loves this gel, and at my work I have applied this gel into my brows before, and it is really nice. It does hold forever, but it never gets that like flakiness. You know how when you use a brow gel sometimes and it like has a pretty good hold, but it will end up getting a little flaky, kind of like a regular hair gel if you touch it too much. But this one's pretty good. So yeah, that's what my brows look like. So the only eye products I have are from the Sun and Sea kit from Nudestix. So I'm going to do like a quick easy eye look, but if you want to really see those eye products like kind of in action and see all of them being used, definitely head over to my IGTV. I wanted to focus more on the actual brand in this video. So I'm going to go in with this matte orange that the kit comes with, and I'm just going to line my eyes with it. I'm just gonna do a easy look. I'm not gonna use that blue. The kit was inspired by, you know, the sea and the corals, and you know, I was a little nervous that the lip colors in the kit, like I think oranges look cute on my eyes, but I'm not like a big fan of oranges on my lips and cheeks. I think it's growing on me, but I'm still, you know, I'm still a pinky brown nude girl. But the coral eyeshadows, like this is so cute. It is so cute. So I really, really like that. And the matte formula, I noticed, blends out really nicely. Like it blends out to be really very soft. And I do feel this would be a pretty long wearing eyeshadow. Like you know how you could just tell when like a cream eyeshadow is gonna be nice and long wearing? I kind of feel that way about this guy. However, in my IGTV, I was playing with the glittery one. So this one is like the glittery shimmery one. And I definitely feel I need to play with it more. I'm just gonna add it to the center of my lid. I kind of want to give my eyelid that like wet look appearance. Oh yeah, this is gonna be cute. But it is pretty glittery. I don't know if all of their shimmers are like that. I don't think that they are, because when I've swatched them at my work, I definitely feel like there are more metallic-y ones, not as glittery. But I did want to mention that because I was kind of running into the issue of these not blending out that nicely, specifically this one. It was kind of a little, it kind of skipped a little bit. But they layered up okay, so you could like layer it and kind of fix it. But I did not have that problem with the matte one. This is really, really cute. I love corals on my eyes. I'm just taking that color and running it along my lower lash line, and I am going in and blending it out. I'm going to go in with my Maneater mascara. I don't have a mascara from Nudestix, but that is okay. They might not even make one. So I don't have a bronzer from Nudestix. If there is one that you recommend, definitely let me know which one you would recommend for my skin tone and stuff. But I did a live stream of me unboxing my Nudestix package, and Tara, I've talked about her a couple of times on my videos. She suggested that I use the shade Sunkissed as a bronzer, and I was looking at it and I thought like it might be a little bit too red. Like I definitely wear Sunkissed as a blush a lot of the times, but I'm going to try it a little bit like as a bronzer, just maybe to like sculpt out my face and give myself some warmth. I feel like could work out. See, it definitely blends out to be a little bit more pink, but I'm not mad at it. It's definitely going to serve the purpose, I think. And we all like the blush on the nose look, at least I do. I'm a big fan of it. I'm going to be doing my highlighter next. This highlighter is a little dark. I still like the look of it, but I'm going to apply it underneath of my blush. Like, see how it's like a little bit dark, but when I blend it out, it's still really nice and reflective, so it's fine. Plus it kind of gives the appearance of like a little bit of a bronzy look. But this liquid highlight is so beautiful. It doesn't have any glitter chunks, it is just all shine, so I love that. And I'm going to blend it out with my sponge. If I need to add a little bit of extra highlight afterwards, I will, but I don't think I will, because this is just really nice. And I'm excited to see what it's going to look like underneath the blush. Even though I'm using these products for the first time today, I'm glad I did the IGTV first so I could have a little bit of an opinion on these products beforehand. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the shade In the Nude. Just looks like this. If you guys want to see what the shade from the Sunsea kit looks like on me, you can head over to my IGTV. It's right there. But I'm really excited to use this blush. It just looks so pretty. It looks right up my alley. And I feel like it's going to match the eye look really well. Like it kind of has the same little pinky peachy moment. This is really beautiful. I love how that looks on my skin. It just brings in really beautiful color. I'm really liking all these products though, so I'll definitely do other Nudestix videos in the future once I get my hands on a bronzer as well, which will be really nice. I have 3 lip colors from Nudestix. I have the 2 gel creams that came in the Sun and Sea kit, so if you want to see what those look like on my lips, head over to my IGTV. Like I said, I used Bare all over my lips, and then I used the shade Crave on the outer perimeter of my lips, and it looked bomb. It looked so good. But I'm going to be using the shade Pulse in this video. This is just the other shade that I have. It's right there. I like that none of these have a fragrance. Like nothing smells like anything. Oh man, Pulse is everything. It is so pretty. I love the finish of these because it has that glossiness without it being a gloss that kind of perfects the lips. I just love that so much. I'm actually going to go in with Crave, and I'm going to do what I did in my IGTV and just sort of line my lips. Oh my god, I feel like these products made my lips look freaking luscious. Oh, gorgeous. I'm going to spray some all-nighter on my skin because I'm not going to set it with powder. I am going to be doing a wear test. I realize I'm not going anywhere, so it might not be a very meaningful wear test, but makeup still creases on me even when I'm not doing anything. And also in a few hours I am going to be making like a guest appearance for a local acting studio. Their modeling class was looking for people to kind of make like guest appearances on their Zoom sessions, and they wanted me to come on their little Zoom session so I can talk about being on YouTube and makeup and all that sort of stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So I have like stuff to do where my makeup is going to need to like look good and stuff. But yeah, the time right now is 3:40, and I will check back in a little later, maybe around 8-ish. So yeah, I'm really loving this though. I think everything came together so freaking nicely. The only thing that I'm not loving is the shade of the brow pencil. It doesn't look horrible, but I do wish there was like a little bit more warmth in it. But the brow gel is insane. Like my brows are not going anywhere. Other than that though, I'm loving it. I love the skin. I love the lips. I love the eyes. I love it. So the time right now is about 10 o'clock. I have eaten dinner. I had my Zoom meeting like I said I was going to do, and I edited part of a video. I've been kind of busy, and this is what my makeup is looking like right now after, I don't know what time I did that original. I don't know what time I filmed earlier. Maybe it's been like 7 hours or 6 hours, I'm not sure. But that is what my skin is looking like. I'm pretty oily right now, which is as to be expected. Check out these eyebrows though. They have not budged. They have not budged one bit. Obviously my lip is off. After I turned off the camera, I ate an entire bag of Sun Chips, like a family style bag of Sun Chips. I'm just obsessed with them. I do have quite, I actually didn't notice this earlier, but I have quite a bit of creasing Look at that. Look at that. All done. My blush though has stayed intact, even though I am quite oily, which I really like in a cream cheek product. No matter how oily I get, I still expect my face makeup to be there, just looking a little bit more shiny. But I do know that there are those products out there that kind of break down once it gets kind of oily. This is not that. So everything overall looks really good. I'm really happy with how everything performed. I'm super loving the brow gel. I don't think I like the color of the brow product though, and I think Kathleen Lights feels the same exact way. The tinted cover from Nudestix is really nice. I will continue using it. Cheek products, gorgeous. I will definitely continue using it. I would be interested in picking up some more shades of the eye colors, maybe specifically more matte shades, because I do love a creamy matte eye. Like, I love that. Lip products I really enjoyed, even though they are wiped off, but I just never expect a lip product to stay on. You know what I mean? If you are expecting your lip product to stay on, you are making some sacrifices for your lips, because that shit is going to be dry. That shit is going to be so dry. So yeah, overall, I thoroughly enjoyed using everything from Nudestix. I really want to get my hands on a bronzer, so definitely give me some recommendations. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.